Hi, my name is Megan Waite. This is my introductory video for English 355 Children's Literature. Couple things about me. Currently, I live in Cache Valley, Utah, but I grew up in California in the San Joaquin Valley. I was born in the Bay Area and then went to high school in Manteca, California. I've lived in Cache Valley almost half my life now. I have 4 adult daughters, and each one of them has a child. So I have 2 grandsons and 2 granddaughters. My youngest granddaughter is 6 weeks old. My oldest grandchild is 12 years old, so there's quite a disparity there. Not sure if I'll get any more. We'll see. Let's see. Something unique about me. Well, that's pretty unique that I'm a non-traditional student, older, returned to school after a 30-year sabbatical. Almost done. I will graduate in July. I'm really excited. I'm taking this class because I needed an upper division class, and I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading to my grandchildren. I enjoyed reading to my kids when they were younger. I also enjoy fitness. I like yoga especially. Let's see, on to my 10 favorite books. As a kid, I remember being a big fan of Shel Silverstein. The Giving Tree was probably my favorite, followed by Falling Up and Where the Sidewalk Ends. And then moved on to Dr. Seuss. Green Eggs and Ham was a family favorite, as so was Go Dog Go. We thought that was hilarious. I don't know why. There's a Mercer Mayer book called Just for You that we also found to be quite funny. The little critter brings home an apple for his mom, and on the way home he eats it because he's hungry. We just thought that was hilarious as kids. Let's see. Then got a little bit older, moved on to Judy Blume books, Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing, and Are You There, God? It's Me, Margaret. Became some of my favorites. I think those were the ones that really got me interested in reading. I remember in elementary school we had a teacher that would read to us out loud every Friday for like a half an hour, and I really enjoyed that. As an adult, I started reading to my kids, and my favorite books were The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle and The Berenstain Bears Bee book. That was pretty funny because my kids' dad knew it by heart, so we thought that was kind of clever. Anyway, enough about me. I look forward to get to know you a little bit more in our class, and see you on the boards.